Good morning, traders. Friday, May 15th. I am watching Microsoft for longs, pretty much everything else for shorts or neutral. And yeah, a couple paper cuts from the pre-market trading. Tried to make some money on some low floats. No success there. So we're gonna be making it back with Microsoft and or the Qs. Probably just watch the Qs to start. Get a vibe of what is going on. Looks like the market's just about to open. What do we got? 2 seconds. Boom. Let's go.
Markets are now open. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you very much. Let's go. It's kind of a risk off day so far, but the dip's been bought up a lot recently. So let's have a look how the Qs react. I'm gonna keep a close eye on Microsoft too. I had Microsoft 415s written down, but we hit that in the pre-market just about. Maybe some 706 puts would be good if the sell-off continues. Little taster pack there. It's turning green. A little bit early to the game here. Looks like we might be in for a bit of a bounce here. I'm just gonna get out here. A little premature. I had support at 715 and we're at 709. So I think 713 calls are fair game. We did come down a lot already, so we could see a bit of consolidation here. Gotta put on a bit of patience here. Okay, I'm gonna go back into those 706 puts. Really gotta crack that red line there. Average price 549. Stop at 5.2. But I can always get out earlier if I want, if it pumps here. Okay, I got stopped out there. Really choppy here. So we're gonna take a breath and we're gonna watch the 5 minute here. Wait for some pattern. I had 705 to 700 as support there. It looks, it's hard to read right now, but I'm thinking it's just going to be bought up here. Yeah, we got to be patient here. Very interesting. Whatever happened, it's going to happen with force here. Okay, we're back in the shorts here. Average price 549. Okay, we're up like 4% here. It's kind of crawling up to 7%. I don't really trust this. I might have to get out here for some profit here. 6.5. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit of profit there. I can always re-enter. If it does rip through that red line there, I might just go to the 705s. Feels like this could be bought up at any moment. It's very hard to read this. This is definitely barcoding inside the 5 minute. Have a quick peek at Microsoft here. So Microsoft is ripping. Still inside of its 5 minute orb, Microsoft. Big ass spreads. Not that exciting because of the spreads. Okay, so we're back in those 706s. Average price 557. Stop at 441 to start. Really need to see this extend the decline here. No, we don't want to see that. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out. So stopped out for 22 cents. I think I'm just going to wait to crack that line and just get the 705s. I think I might just barcode in this range for a while. Feels a little top heavy, but 1 minute till the first 15-minute candle closes. Okay, I'm in some 705s. Average price 522. Stop at 511. They're already up 5%. Three point eight, 2.501%. Oh, don't bounce. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, they're like at 8% now, 9%. It's looking pretty good. Again, I don't trust this market though, so it could bounce here. I'm gonna take out half. Stop is still at 7%. Okay. 10% still. Come on, push lower. 12%, 13%. %. Okay, I got out there for like 15% or something. I might re-enter on a pullback, but I'm very much in scalping mode right now because the bouncers are going to be horrific when they bounce. So, for example, so I'm happy to re-enter those 705s in a minute. Let's just let that bounce for a second. Some wild fluctuations in the option prices. Feels like the buyers are coming in like I expected. So the 1713 calls could be worth purchasing here. And let's see how it breaks through 708 here. If it cleans it nicely. Which it's struggling a little bit. Okay. In some 713s, average price 416. Stop at 398 currently. Whee! It's like a roller coaster. push through VWAP at 708.76. That should be a good time. So what is my average price? 416. 406 stop. Push, push, push. Up a couple percent. There we go. Let's go. 4.3, 4.8, 4.3, 4.5. Push through VWAP. Let's go. Buyers are here. 6.778%. Three, one. Oh, it's coming back down. Come on. I believe the buyers are here, though. Oh, maybe not. Keep pushing up. Oh, here comes the barcode. And okay, I got stopped out again. Okay. Let's go look at the Microsoft. Struggling to break out, eh? Go look at Nvidia. Yeah, I think, oh, Google's doing well here. I have lots of Google in my long-term account. It's been doing amazing. AMD's barcoding. Just looking at some 704 puts. Figure if it's going to crack lower again, it's going to crack lower with force this time. We can go a little bit lower with our puts. That being said, kind of feel like it's going to be a long, but we're just going to wait. Pack on our patience. If you haven't signed up on our X account, Instagram, Facebook, please do. Trader Medic. Follow us on our socials. We post almost every day. Okay, so I'm looking at the 713 calls again. But we're going to wait for some more patterns here. I don't know, man. I'm looking at a lot of red on the screen here, or pink in my case. If you're wondering why I use pink instead of red, it's because the emotional impact is reduced. Something that helps you manage your trading psychology is not to have red all over your screen, which means stop and scary color. Okay, we're back in our 713s. Average price 449. stop 429. They're already up 4%. Come on, baby. They're down to 1% already. Lots of. Come on, you gotta push. 449. I think I'm gonna tighten my stop a little bit here. 433. Wow, people selling options. They don't trust this move. Yeah, I sold for some profit there because I wanted to see how it reacts to this line here. Break and retest is what I'm thinking today. Yeah, that's why I got out. I didn't want to sit through that candle there. Just wants to sit inside this range today. But that could be the pullback for the next leg up right here. Test VWAP. How does it deal with VWAP? 708.8. If it bounces off VWAP, the party is on. If it cracks through it, we are foobarred. Right now, it's struggling to decide who is in charge, buyers or sellers. I'm gonna go with below VWAP, but then retrace for the long here. That's some heavy selling though. You look at the 15 here, it's just, I don't know, what is that? Sorry, the 5. It's just literally a barcode. Some buyers here. So the question is, do these guys step in again? Just watching some 412 calls here. We have a big rip to the upside. I will be in on that. Wow. This could be the day that we just start seeing all the selling come in, though. So just a little taster of some 706s. Kind of wish I got the 705s, but whatever. Let's put a stop in here. 588 stop. I mean, average price. I feel like it's just going to bounce straight away. So 588 was my stop. So 570 is a good stop. Sorry, 588 was average price. Yeah, there's the bounce. I'm just going to get out of those. So we're back in that range again. So if this fails 708, the shorts are on here. Or even 707.5. Kind of a double top, maybe at 710 there. So a third failure of that would be telling. I think it might go all the way to 709 before it turns around. Price is going up, but the volume's pretty decreasing. Okay, we're back in the 705s. Puts, average price 518. 495 stop. There's up 1%. This needs just to crack lower, guys. Let's go. Average cost 518. Stop at 5 right now. Just crack. Just panic. Let's go. Panic, 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 everyone. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose my house. Let's go. No, 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 no. It's up 2.5, 1.5. Ah, it's bouncing. Come on, guys. There's the bounce. Let's go. I don't like that. Okay, I got out again. Getting chopped up. Lost $18 a contract there. Oh, that was a bad one. Went in with size on the short there and it just bounced on me straight away. It's got to be a short today. Come on. No one's buying. Nobody wants to buy at the top. It's Friday, free for all Friday. Coming up to test VWAP again. What do we think? We're going to crack that green line or we're just going to head lower? That is the question. That is the freaking question. So what do? We gotta wait. We gotta wait and see. A lower high here would be quite telling. It's above VWAP again. $708.62 is VWAP currently. I'm not hearing my news squawk for some reason. Check on that.
Markets are now open. Good luck, everyone.
This I know. Holy Moses. I went long again there, and I'm already down 6%. Looks like it's failing here. 3, 4. Just put my stop at 403. Come on, push. Push. Shh. 435 average price, 415 is my stop. Oh, it's hard to watch. I can barcode in action here. It's turning green. Up 3%. Will it be a triple top or a blowout through the top? A blowout to the top. It's like 6% right now. Okay, I added some big ass size, so I better put my stop in. Average price 457. Stop at 444.
China, U.S. agree to set up trade investment councils.
I'm gonna have to get out of half here because I don't trust it. Which I just did. Oh, fuck. Struggling here to make some bank. Average price 457, 4.5, up 3%. Little smaller size. Maybe I should just take my profits while they're sitting there. 4%. Three, I saw. Come on, push, 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 push. 6%. Come on, squeeze the shorts. Let's go. 7%. 8%. Here's the retest of the green line. Got myself out of that. What we got with Microsoft here? Nvidia. Google was the trade. AMD's kicking up. Some dust. Just looking for a reload here on the longs. Okay. Ooh, spicy business. Average price 519. 510. 509 stop. Basically at break even here. Okay, now it's ripping a bit. Put on some big ass size. Average price 5.2, 505 stop. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, got big size on at 5%. So I'm trying to sit in this here. So 5.2 is my stop. So I'll just put that there. Coming in hot. Push, 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 push. 4.2, 6%, 6. I mean, one more push here. See if we can crack 712. Come on. Okay, I'm going to take half out at 5%. More like 3% by the time I got to it. Average price 5.2 something, so 527 stop. Can't lose. Let's see this push here. I don't really like it. I don't really like it. Come on. Three percent, 2%, 4%, 5%, 5.4. Okay, that's looking better. Let's go. Still have pretty good size on. 7, 8%. 9.6, 10%. Push through the squeeze. Let's go. 10%. Oh yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. 12%. Stop up to 5.5. Maybe I will. I don't like that wick, so I'm gonna just sell half. Well, I sold a third, apparently. Stop at 5.6. 11, 10%. This was a good video because I saw you get to see a lot of struggle at the beginning and then some reward action. 9.6. Come on, one more push. Don't. That doesn't look good though. It's not that good. Trying to sell some at 572s. Oh, I sold them all. Oh, that's okay. Green Day. I got out of all of them by mistake. I feel like I want to short this now. I think we're gonna go back and test 7-Eleven. Let's see if this runs out of steam here. I guess if it cracks 7-Eleven, it's cracking 710. So. Okay, last trade. A little short at the top here. Average price 515. Stop at 499. Already up 3%. $3.3. I'm not gonna stick around here. Just a quick short on the pullback. 6%. 5.4, 5.6, 6%, and we are selling at 548. And we're sold. Nice little green. Let's go. Just scalping, Scalp Nation. Anyway, I'm gonna stop the video there. That was a lot of work. We ended up the day green. And what else can you ask for? It's Friday. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.